first to 100 is the easy version of this game, and it's adding to 100 with Uno cards. The first player puts down 9 plus 9 and writes down their score, 18. Second player puts down their cards, 8 plus 8, and their score is 16. We write that down. The idea would be you get your child to do the adding for you. That's the point of the game. Second player puts down their game cards, 8 plus 8, 16, write down their score. They draw a line under the addition. They can either add it as an algorithm or add it in their head. They always must estimate or add first, and if you need to, you can check it on a calculator. Next player. Now I always play my biggest cards first, and that way if the other player finishes, you've got the maximum amount of points that you possibly can. So 7 plus 8 is 15. We write 15 down. Always remember to trade if you're doing an algorithm. Remember, they can check it on a calculator if they're not sure, but always estimate first. Next player. This score was 13. 6 plus 7, write down 13. Add up the results. You can talk through with your child how to do that. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. Next person puts down their scores. 6 plus 4 is 10. Add 10 to the score. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Next player. Now ideally you've been picking up 2 along the way so that you've actually maintaining your 10 cards along the way. And that way, if you're not at 100, which you can see, we've still got a long way to go till we get to 100. So we'll need more cards. So it is now my turn. Now these cards, we've just been laying them out so you can see the scores. You can place them on top of each other. My next cards are 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. Notice that the ones have been placed underneath each other. There are no 10s, so we could leave it blank or put a 0. It's important that the numbers are laid out in the correct column, or it will be difficult to add. Yep, I had 3 cards. So that number was 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Write down the 14. 67. My next one is 7 plus 7 is 14 again. 8 plus 4 is 12. So it's important to put the 2 down, trade the 1 up the top. 4 plus 1 is 6. And that's how you play the easy game. You keep going through this game until somebody gets to 100. If that's too easy for your child, play it up to a 500 or 1,000. Tune in for the next video by going to my profile.